Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to install the Widgetable app on your desktop screen. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. Here, when you do that, you can of course go and log into your profile, create your profile, or join as a guest. But now guys, for this video, the topic is how to install it on your desktop screen, so on your PC. Well, when you created your app, when you started hatching your eggs and everything, when you wanted in some moment to go install it on your web, of course what you need to do is go and open the Google Chrome or whichever you have, and type of course the Widgetable, where you can go and easily download it on your app, on your desktop. But now you of course want to migrate your stuff with your phone. Then out of all of these three tabs here, as you can see, we'll explore, wallpaper, and more. We need to click on the bottom right, which is the more tab. Here, as you can see guys, we have the more, where we have a lot of things, but we want to focus on device data migration. So when you click on device data migration, this will migrate with your device, with your second device, which is the, of course, your screen on, your desktop application. Now you can do that, and you go of course and join by your profile. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.